All right. Hello. If you never see this before, you know what this is. This is not Padi Padi. We are on a Padi P. We are friends. We are very good friends. We love ourselves. I don't know how people will be in a country place. And you people will not know how to love yourself. It's not a good trait of a human being. When Baba Godeh creates human beings, it's a go in the world and love yourself. But una know they love yourself. Why are you doing like this? But we want to preach the story of embracing yourself. Make you they love yourself for the way they do like this.
And they describe what
you just they talk jails. When you for the ad they put as they talk. You just they talk jails.
It will be jamming of talk now. Why you do like this? I'm not supposed to jam your talk.
Okay, make we allow one person talk.
And they demonstrate.
Me another person can't talk.
And they do sign language. Or they talk your talk.
Okay, like so make una oya land now. Or you want to do short hand.
Oh yeah, they do. Oh, yeah,
make una learn to love yourself. To love yourself now, waiting good for the people in the country, people world. You have to love yourself. Not sabi. Okay, waiting be this. Una welcome to Padi Padi Oje. Let's carry go on to the matter. We didn't know what is to do some our can.
Mayowa, you are not introducing me.
All right. Me Wele, talking about the friendship level. I have a very lovely friend with me. This is my Padi, my guy, my G. My number one nigga. My one and only. The only guy where I love very much.
You know what it is?
Ogboski la. Ogboski la. The guy he can dance Chucky. He's a Chucky dreamer dancer. Ogboski.
You know what he do?
What he do you do?
I just did.
What you do this weekend?
This weekend?
Yes.
Mayowa, I swim. I swim.
You swim?
You know, yeah.
You swim?
Yeah, now.
You
any kind of swim, they talk for your mind.
Ogbolor, you are swimming.
I swim now. I swim for swimming pool.
Don't be saying you want to just stop it now.
I swim for swimming pool. Leave her like that. Take it like that or leave it. Meanwhile,
you swim alone. You swim alone.
No, some other people there for the swimming pool too.
Ogbolor, no, they use hand cover the microphone.
Some people say did their way,
swim together. Na joint swimming.
Why they carry this talk go now? Not like that. It's not too early for this kind of gist. Please.
We get video, we on it.
We get video, but at the same time we get gist for ground and different things and plenty many things. But on still, hope all of now they okay. Now Monday, thank God it's Monday. We welcome all of now back to the whole every. Okay, so when I just sit back, when I relax, everything will make too much sense this morning.
On top of the
Padi show. You know what it
is. See as you fine. Oh yeah, give them fan person pose. Fine boy pose. Just give them the pose. Give them. My God! We go take this short video. We come back, my guys.
You understand me now? Yeah. Where you see?
Continue, John.
What's it?
Continue.
Come down.
Waiting they worry your mates, then they use gym, they use me, they gym.
Mayowa, forget. You said don't be say
your mates.
Now you they hustle me for that.
Then they do. You know that artist now where they sing like this.
No, that one. That one did. But for this one, forget to not be everybody way slim, not get weight to. Mayowa get elephant bone.
What's wrong with you?
Elephant bone, I did body.
Let's say what are you?
But they don't start that video from the beginning because I don't first kind like 20 something. Before they come out they play the video.
You they lie. Why you go they lie for national TV? You are a liar person.
Mayowa.
Why you go they lie for national TV? You are lying.
Mayowa, you no go make heaven, no.
You are going to make heaven, no. You too will not
make it. After I carry you
are lying.
Man can't be like this.
Nah, lie. You only carry me 5. Only 1.
Oh,
2. Yes, you
two.
You carry me only 5. You do 1. I do 2. You do 3. You do 4.
Oh yeah, leave her like that. Maybe that one I carry you and be 5.
5.
Good, no problem. Climb my body again, you go sit. Now for ground, you go land. Yeah. Or you could give them gist on top yarn the yarn matter.
All right, me Willie. Today we get plenty gist for now, so I go just start onto the matter. The first one we get. Oh my God.
Yes, talk.
The first one we get now on top one family people. Where we say they survive car car, motor crash, car something. Even though the car split into two, then survive them. Now, they say this particular car something, a man and 2 children, then survive auto crash. That one, an accident of a motor car. All right? And say the car split into 2 for inside main road. They say this car happened for Fletcham Steed Highway Conventry. Now in that one be happen where this one day. They say the man and 2 children say they come out with only small wound for body. But if you see the car, you will not believe it that somebody is come out of there, you have not wound himself bad.
Thank God, Shao.
I'm telling you this
after
thing.
everything, see the picture now. Oh, hey,
you know, say even because of the damage of the motor car, despite the fact that small wound, then still carry them go hospital because they don't believe, say, no way you go come out for this kind of car, make something no break for inside your body. Even if no spoil for inside, it go spoil for inside. So
thank you so much, Lord Jesus. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you.
What you just do now?
I sing now. Thanksgiving now. Not they do anyhow.
What you just do now? Monday morning. Where you suppose couple? You suppose
like if I couple,
you suppose package.
Forget nothing. I no package nothing. Now my own gist.
Yes.
Mayowa say, Ogbolor, give me gist.
Ogbolor, give me gist.
Say, Ogbolor, give me gist.
Ogbolor, give it to me.
Yam me the yam.
Give it to me this gist.
That one you talk just.
Yam me the yam that I would do.
No, they say give it to me.
Ogbolor, give it, yam me the gist.
This give it to me. They talk like
give
this.
It's
too early.
Baby.
Okay. One doctor for inside Egypt.
Yeah.
They say they don't free him. On top say they go try cut. You know that thing for inside
female circumcision.
Female circumcision. And now they go try it for one small little, one 12-year-old girl.
When she done 12 years old, now they want circumcision her.
But the small girl can't go die, 12-year-old girl. But now they carry the papa and even the doctor self go court. They can't talk say onto the matter. For inside Egypt now this one happen onto the every and say the small girl can finally buy. But everybody on the reason say the doctor or the papa will say they go dey inside prison matter for long. But last now they don't even release them for the whole thing. But for this particular gist, and they look say come they see they do this kind of thing for this.
Now the problem is that because my own no be whether the man have come out in prison or the man have not come out in prison. My problem is say at this age and time, who they do circumcision for 12-year-old?
I mean,
person who don't mature finish.
You don't mature, don't have old bone now.
You can't do that comes this John in the 12-year.
I beg, me
have a fear of God.
Please.
Why you want to be? Small girl, you want to be?
It's not good.
No.
Even Mayowa own, we know, but it's not good.
You
understand? You just get the thing take.
Meanwhile, we still get one more to read. Make I just give you before I will just wound you now. Make I just give you this respect yourself. Tell me sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. As me you don't talk that sorry, I will refer you to Friday.
What happened on Friday?
People will know they talk sorry.
I know. I see. Even though they teach people things, which I would learn now.
Tell me sorry.
I'm sorry.
Tell me in a nice way.
How you want a nice part like this?
Oh, that's okay. All right. Talking about one more thing with the 7.
All right. The final gist.
Yes. 75-year-old man. Pa Musa is the name of the man. Pa Musa have now dead there in Oyo State. He's from my place.
Hey, no wonder.
From my place.
No wonder.
Pa Musa from Oyo State now, you have gone and impregnate a 16-year-old girl. Because say he won't be responsible for the belle and you want to marry a 75-year-old man. Make I even tell you something. The girl na apprentice for one woman because Baba Pa Musa na carpenter. The girl can't be apprentice for one woman. Now the girl can't say, Pa Musa, help me do kolo. Say, boss, you are putting my money. Pa Musa give the girl. He told the girl. The girl have agreed.
Oh, the girl have agreed.
She agreed. Pa Musa can't do with the girl. You know, they do wiping.
Why?
After the now in the girl, you have now. He said, Pa Musa giving 200 naira the first day. I'm telling you something.
It don't cheap like that.
The girl can say she dey want phone. Now in Pa Musa can give her 1.5. Make she go buy small phone. Now the girl she have now married. Pa Musa now say him is a very agile young man.
Yes.
He's 75, but him is
agile old man.
Yes. So make no problem. Because I say Pa Musa, as you say you're a strong man, you are sexually active. How you dey take care of your, your spouse matter? Now the man say, I sleep with married women, the one that wants you, but it's not every day. Pamusa, 75 piade.
Papa Moose, Papi Moose.
Papa Moose, ẹ ṣe báyìí. Ẹ ṣe báyìí látọ̀ yọ 31 torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ṣe báyìí Pamusa kí ló dé. Pamusa kilode, what happened?
But wait, Mayowa, wait, 75-year-old man. He go the toast Smalley. 16-year-old girl, still grieve for him. The girl said he get old for body. Yeah. 75 years old man. They have put in the prison, they say it's child insult, infant insult. The girl said they're supposed to put her for prison for old man insult too. And now, blood the do and the do we, told them supposed to just go prison. Because, yes, the man they at fault. Yes, of course. The girl herself will go consent to the whole thing too. You should shop your own too.
You know what he can't talk? He said mistake has no... Pamusa said mistake has no master. God will forgive me. It's what Pamusa have said.
But we continue to see that grace be about.
You know, say that day I tell you sorry. If you begin shout anyhow now, I no go tell you.
I bet more leave Pamusa matter, Jare. You say you know the green land. You know the green land. More leave Pamusa matter before Pamusa lies you.
Yeah, go wound you just now. I bet we'll go on a short break. Don't tell me this kind of thing. You go just they do anyhow.
I'll don't Pamusa lies you.
My Padi.
All right, go wrong. Go for a break. When they come back now. You know what they do? No, they do this kind of thing.
Hey,
Mayowa, stop it, oh! Stop it, oh! Hey!
From the pot. Toby, who took the meat from the pot?
Sorry, Wallah, I swear I'm not the one, I swear.
Okay, Toby, tell me the truth. I will not flog you. Who took the meat from the pot? So you are the one that took the meat from the pot?
Wait, you don't flog her like 5. You can't tell her, say, oh, yeah, tell me I will not flog you. My mama, she didn't do that thing. Then go don't give you like boss. They can't tell you, so yeah, no, I won't beat you. Tell me, who do this thing? If you do, you can't do.
The competition for that place where your hand no feel reach.
You can't do. As we know Oyibo we did before. As we know Oyibo country for this thing. We don't sue many
for don't call police. My
mother assaulted me.
Oh my God! Man, Tongari stick. Then they knock for my back. Tongari stick. Boss, I think go break.
You know where now?
I go sleep like this.
I be come there. I be take picture OJ. They be coming on national TV and be lying.
Forget it.
Lying.
My mama self no. Then they come and look me like they say this boy.
See, picture that kun. You know say.
Want to laugh, the laugh matter.
When they talk, say food don't finish for party.
That look. Hey, God.
Now this food carry me.
Come this place for this food. Cost.
Movement.
No problem. God will judge them.
Yes.
God will judge them.
How workers feel when they get salary? Like, I can relate to this.
We can relate to it.
We know that type. We know.
Turn up.
I'm telling you.
You go fear group.
When you find out that you just sat on baby poop.
So now my face, I can't do this one now.
Yes.
This face now, this face now, say, hi, I don't die.
Which kind of thing I sit down on top?
I don't finish.
When you they try chop hot beans. Ogbolor, give me one. They come in when you are targeting the last akara on the tray. Madam, you see that one?
Madam, that one is red. We be like say it's in great
when you use oil, give me that one I want.
Madam, please, at the timer.
I dey tell you something. Your face when person they talk like say not true.
All those yimu face.
We know. You talk like that's why you they lie for me. That's how they look you. Yeah. I know.
When you say they lie for me, that's how they look you.
I know they lie for you. When you they try describe the kind goat meat where you want to.
Ogufe.
That one. Tony Bokoto.
Yeah, when they grab for
that one we get that thing.
Ogufe, madam. You know what they mean?
When they say you just want a free trip to Dubai.
This one not chucking face.
I'm telling you, like really?
Like really?
Honestly?
For me?
Are
you serious?
Come on, I'm having a ball. Oh, guys, that's what
laugh the laughters. All right. Make we run go small break.
Yeah.
By the time we come back from this break, we won't run go. So our guest in the house.
We have a minster in the house.
A visitor.
A minster.
What be Minster?
It's a pigeon of visitor. We have to begin very soon. We go begin giving a one pigeon word for the day. New one for today. Just take a Minster. Minster means visitor, missionary. Take it away, vamos.
Take it away. Take it away.
Must you shock
Take it away.
If I know what just happened to us now, it will do like African magic. If you not get it, it's a film trick.
Gotta do cha.
I'm telling you something. So what's up, my babe?
Fine.
You see, the reason why I don't agree you sit here is because of a reason why. I have a wife. Yes, that's why I sit down for
okay. So
I have blocked
you know what makes you sit down with me?
I have blocked it.
Don't worry.
I have blocked
This is your evil plan.
We can do Bluetooth.
Yes. From the
If you like, go from my front or
introduce
my back. Hello, okay. Me will introduce her.
Okay, better people for house. We get one very fine girl and beautiful something in the beauty. Okay, she be the CEO of Hesse Designs. Okay, and her name na Ese Odiete.
Ese Odiete, amazing. See as you call her. You don't even call the name with respect.
No, come on. I call her passion.
Ese Odiete.
Yes.
Ese Odiete.
Yes.
How are you, my darling?
I'm fine.
Eze, you have not turned a CEO. Me and you are not meet again.
Hey, now
you are paying people. I'm collecting salary.
Boss. You are a boss.
Why you do me this kind of thing? You are a CEO of what exactly?
We make Ankara bags and shoes. Like this one I'm holding now.
You see that thing in front of you that they have right number 6. Help me look at it so that people can see the beauty of your face.
Hey.
That is
Hey, you are smiling now. You are looking beautiful.
So tell me about this bag.
Okay, what we do, we use African fabrics, Ankara, kente, things like that to make bags and shoes, and we sell to people. We also train small girls, university students on how to make the bags and the shoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what we do basically.
So that they train small girls.
We train people on how to make bags, shoes, so they can start their own small businesses and sell and make money, and they don't have to start looking for job. You know, job situation in Nigeria now. So, yeah.
Okay, so make I ask you this thing now, right? You know, so I know say this thing self go do your mind. True. These bags where they do now, money they do inside.
Where they take material.
What be the cost effectiveness?
plenty money.
Serious?
I don't work for anybody. I'm my own person, and I make a lot of money from
Hello,
it.
pigeon, please. You have to switch back to the pigeon.
You have to come back to
Okay,
our
You have to come back to us.
They make plenty money for the business.
Correct.
I don't work. This is all I do, and I make plenty money off it. Yes.
So,
Essay, I get one very important question to ask you. Very important question. Show you this single.
I beg come out there.
Not yet. No be question.
Which kind
No be question.
Which kind of I don't like am.
No be question. I like women that when they do very industrious.
Upon there, sit down for this seat.
Not yet. Make I can't jump from the what trouble to you.
Auntie Ese, give me your hand.
Wait.
Give me your.
What is it?
Give me.
Say you want to marry it, ni?
Finish. She's not single. From this moment onward,
I will give you a rock. I will give you a rock. Rock of Gibraltar. Not yet. You are not do anything.
So Ese, tell me, like this bag now, like this bag with in your hand now you make them by yourself?
Yes.
That means if you do purses, if you do wallets,
anything leather and Ankara work, we can do it.
Okay, so if I get
anything.
Okay, now for example, this my chook. Let's say maybe one side of it is scrape.
Yes, we can help
bring them for you.
Make it fine again.
Wow. So if I bring an Ese, how much?
Padi.
How much?
For free, Padi.
That means I go carry things come. I go carry different things. My Timberland boots, everything.
No,
I go carry
only one. Only one. After one, Padi don't end. Yes.
No problem.
Money enter the following.
Money enter the following.
So tell me, they do for men too?
Yes. Wallets, sneakers. Like I designed the sneakers. Okay. Now me design the sneakers where Richard Branson wear for their 30th virgin party.
Oh wow!
Nice one. That means you don't work out far with that, oh.
Oh yeah, please take my number real quick. We are not best friends.
No, we hear one, Jare. This Mayowa, if you start like this, You for not there where you did today now. I dey tell you that year when we small, go dey chook eye for different. See young girl now they make things with their life. All the small they wait there for us when they see young girl she trying to do something in a CEO manner.
Yes.
And so make una just chook now for different work.
Yes.
Make una leave man alone.
You see person,
And leave pastor. You feel be your own CEO. Don't forget to collect your number for the come out. But essay, make you tell them how they will reach you. Maybe your Twitter handle or your something.
Yes, address or something.
Twitter handle at Essay Inspired. HESEYIN Inspired. Essay Inspired.
Okay.
Or you can call our number 081 6935 7756.
Okay.
All right, okay.
Anything at all you're interested in, we will do it for you.
Essay, don't come and be advertising yourself on my show. Essay, people pay for this service.
No wahala.
People pay for it.
Free,
because of one bag. Hello.
All right. Now here we go match break for every concert party for today. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy all the fun and everything. Plus with me, Ogbi, and my girls in Mayowa.
That would be me right here.
So they say, big thank you to Essay. Thank you, say you join us for
Thank you
Padi
very
today, okay? And we pray say God will carry you go big place.
Yes.
In memes. Mayowa, make we come out.
Essay.
All right.
Give me my ring. Kina booty.
Essay, have fun now.
Essay, so Essay, darling, you were saying something
come out
about
for not the biggest kind thing.